I'm gonna be making black bean tamal with a little bit of Oaxaca cheese in it. Kind of riff off of things that I've learned in my past. This lady that I used to work with in the industry, she made this for family meal. She rolled it in a way that it was cinnamon roll-like. I'm gonna take that variation and I'm gonna use a masa recipe that was handed down from my mother. The way I was raised and the way I was taught, the masa is the most important thing. So we put a lot of effort and time into really flavoring the masa. Traditionally in my family, Thanksgiving is when we start kind of doing the process of tamales, and it's kind of like this big production line that we kind of get together and everybody kind of gathers, and it's like tamales is probably one of those things outside of tortillas de maíz that really reminds me of like my brothers and my mother, you know, like it's just such a communal thing. And now my brothers don't cook, so I know that it's up to me to kind of carry these traditions on. Yeah, Tamales has that kind of tug at my heartstrings kind of thing.